In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product explainer video in HeyGen. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser and head to HeyGen's website. This platform lets you turn a simple script into a polished, on-brand explainer led by an AI avatar. No camera, lights, or complex editing required. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access the creation tools. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left sidebar and choose the avatar section. This is where HeyGen collects everything you need for presenter-style videos. Think of it as your studio, the place to pair your message with a virtual spokesperson who fits your brand and audience. Next, select New Video. This opens the editor where you'll see a script input area and a preview panel. You're about to shape the story your avatar will deliver, so a little planning goes a long way. Click into the script field and start typing. Keep your explainer focused. Open with the problem your product solves, then clearly show how it solves it, followed by one or two standout benefits, and finish with a direct call to action. Write for the ear, not the eye. Short sentences, everyday words, and clear transitions. Add helpful punctuation for natural pacing, and spell out tricky numbers or acronyms to guide pronunciation. If a product term is unusual, include a phonetic hint in parentheses right after it. Now, click on Change Look Avatar. This is where you can refine the presenter's style to match your brand tone: professional, casual, friendly, or authoritative. Browse the available looks and pay attention to how the avatar's expression and attire support your message. If your product is technical, a more formal look may help. For lifestyle products, a warmer, more approachable style can build trust. Then click on Change Avatar to swap the presenter entirely if you want a different face or voice profile. Choose someone who aligns with your audience and the emotion you want to convey. Consistency matters, so think about using the same avatar across your product series for brand recognition. When your script and avatar are set, press Enter or Submit. HeyGen will process the video and generate your explainer. Give it a moment. Once it's ready, watch the playback to confirm the pacing, clarity, and overall tone match your intent. If anything feels off, small script tweaks or a different avatar choice can make a big difference. That's it. Your product explainer is created in HeyGen, ready to inform and engage your audience.